Hello dear student, welcome back again in our online lecture series. Today we will discuss chemical reactivity of alcohol. In last lecture we have discussed the various methods for synthesis of alcohols. Today we want to discuss how alcohols are reacting with various reagents to form different types of chemical products. Alcohols are used as a starting material or precursor to synthesize the various valuable product. For example, we can synthesize aldehyde, ketone, esters, ethers, isn't it? All these products can be synthesized by the reaction on alcohols. So therefore it is necessary to study the chemical reactivity of alcohol, how alcohols are reacting with other chemical species. Two types of reactivity can be shown by the alcohol, that is, alcohol may act as a nucleophile or may act as an electrophile. So whenever alcohol react as a nucleophile, there is breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond, and whenever alcohol act as a or react as an electrophile, there is breaking of oxygen and carbon bond. So let us discuss in brief. In this lecture we will study reactivity of alcohol. General molecular formula for alcohol, it is ROH. These are our alcohols. Two types of reactivity can be, there are two possibilities. There may be breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond, or breaking of oxygen carbon bond, two types of reactivity. If there is breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond, it means that alcohol react as a nucleophile, and if there is breaking of oxygen carbon bond, alcohol act as an electrophile, as nucleophile, as a electrophile. How this is possible? Let us discuss with the help of a chemical reaction. First of all, as nucleophile, how alcohol act as a nucleophile? We have alcohol ROH, oxygen have lone pair of electron, plus we have carb cation, isn't it? Carb cation. What will happen? There is nucleophilic attack of lone pair of electron on carbocation. Okay. Therefore, there is formation of C, okay, R, then OH, then C. Oxygen will have positive charge like this. Then there is release of proton. It is unstable R, O, C, okay, plus H plus. In this reaction, in this mechanism, alcohol act as a nucleophile, and alcohol act as a nucleophile. Means lone pair of oxygen of alcohol group, OH group, attack a electron deficient center. It means that alcohol act as a nucleophile. In second case, alcohol act as a electrophile. We will take example. For let us discuss with the help of reaction. We have alcohol CH2OH plus H plus. There is formation of R CH2 OH H. Oxygen will carry positive charge. oxygen have lone pair of electron. It will carry proton. Protonation of alcohol. This is protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol undergoes dehydration. Protonated alcohol undergoes dehydration and there is formation of, or there may be attack of nucleophile. There may be attack of nucleophile. Br minus plus R CH2 O H plus. This Br minus nucleophile may attack. Okay, so this is not like that. Nucleophile attack on this electron deficient carbon and there is formation of R CH2 Br plus H2. In this reaction, alcohol act as a electrophile. Means there is breaking of carbon oxygen bond. Isn't it? There is breaking of carbon oxygen bond. And here there is breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond. So two types of chemical reactivity. Alcohol may react as a nucleophile and as a electrophile. So do the copy, then we will discuss the acidity of alcohol, because alcohol gives H plus, and once compound which gives H plus ion, that is known as alcohols, isn't it? Okay, we will continue our same topic. We are discussing about chemical reactivity of alcohol. Already we have discussed that is alcohol can react as a nucleophile or electrophile. So on the basis of cleavage of carbon oxygen bond or oxygen hydrogen bond, two types of reaction can be shown that we want to study in this lecture. So reactions of alcohol, there are two types of reaction can be shown by the alcohol. First type of reaction, that is reactions involve breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond. This is our alcohol, and breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond. This is first type. And now second type, reactions involve breaking of that is carbon oxygen bond. Breaking of carbon oxygen bond. So two types of reaction can be possible: breaking of carbon oxygen and breaking of oxygen hydrogen. We know that alcohol are polar molecule. Oxygen is more electronegative, therefore carry negative dipole here, and hydrogen carry positive dipole. So there may be release of H plus ion. Alcohol can act as a acid. So reactions are, examples are reaction with active metals. Alcohol can react with active metals such as sodium, potassium, aluminium also. Okay. And second type, esterification reaction. When alcohol react with acid, there is formation of ester. This reaction is carried out in as a dehydrating agent, or condensate acid is used, H2SO4 is used as a catalyst. Then reaction involving breaking of carbon oxygen bond. Examples are first example, that is reaction with hydrogen halide, HX, hydrogen halide. When alcohol react with hydrogen halide, there is formation of alkyl halide. So we have the reaction when alcohol react with HX, ROH plus alkyl halide is formed. There is formation of RX plus H2 plus H2. Okay. Then second type of reaction with PCl3, then PCl5, then SOCl2. Reaction with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, SOCl2, thionyl chloride. All these three reagents give alkyl halide. Then third type of reaction, that is dehydration reaction. Alcohol undergoes dehydration and gives there are two products may be possible. There may be formation of ether, as well as there may be formation of ethene. Okay, elimination reaction on condensation, addition or elimination. If there is addition reaction, there is formation of ether. If there is elimination reaction, there is formation of ethene. So dehydration. And fourth kind, that is oxidation. Alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So these are the different types of reaction given by the alcohol. So in view of this different chemical reaction, alcohol is a key source of for synthesis of different valuable product. Here we are getting esters, which is used as a essence or for various perfume product, to synthesis perfumery. Then here there is formation of alkyl halide, which is the very important compound for synthesis of different other organic compounds. Then there is dehydration, it gives ethene. Commercially, industrially, ethene is produced from alcohol, ethanol, isn't it? So ethanol is available in huge quantity. Industrially, ethanol is converted into ethene, and ethene is converted into, it is used for the various polymerization reaction for synthesis of polyvinyl chloride, then polyethylene, polyethylene, isn't it? So it means that alcohols are the important compounds and shows various chemical reactions for which gives different valuable product. So let us discuss one by one, and in this course we will discuss acidity of alcohol also. Do the copy, then we will discuss one by one.